Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss. Never put a futures position on without a stop-loss order in place.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from all around the world. We talked about coming back on Friday. We did come back. We said we had a good one for Monday. We kicked their butts Monday. We took it right back. I think we're on track. I think we're going again for tomorrow. We had 3 out of 3 for today. It's a beautiful day. Let's try it again for tomorrow. I like the March S&P again. I'm going to sell at 1429 to 1430, right in that little area. I'm going to look to place a buy stop, 1433.75 for you mini traders, 1433.70 or 80 for you S&P guys. Profit objective, 1412 to 1410. We may finally take that break. We may finally break that 1412.20 area tomorrow. Something to keep in mind, I told you this in yesterday's video. This market has a little teeny stop on it. I got a $3 stop. That's small for me. That market's telling me something dynamic is about to happen. It also tells me that you can double up on this trade because we have such a small stop. You can sell twice as many as you normally would and still only get hit small. So think about that. It's a very small risk setup for me. For my style, I like to hit something like that 2 times as much as I normally would. We're going to look at the April gold. Remember, we rolled from Feb, we went to April. ZGJ7 is now the new code for electronic trading. Place your orders at night. We're very close to these levels already. I'm looking to sell April gold, 649 to 650 and a half. Somewhere right in that level. It gets up to 649, up to 650, somewhere up there. Throw a short out. We're looking at a 655 and a half buy stop. For protection, make sure you get your buy stops around 655 and a half, or anything above that is good. Profit objective is 639 and a half, 638 and a half, somewhere right down in that area. Like the S&P, by the way, be out by the close. Always be out by the close on these trades unless I instruct you otherwise. We're looking at silver as well. We're looking to sell March silver. By the way, the omnidirectional indicator, by the way, I know I haven't brought that into light yet, but we're working on it. The website's going to be great. Omni says lower in S&P. Omni says lower in the gold. Omni says lower in silver. We even had a week trade to show you, but we'll give you that in a minute. That's lower too. All right, folks, so for the silver, we're looking to sell March silver, 1333 to 1336, somewhere in that area if we jump up a little bit. Put your sell orders out there. That's where I would put mine. Buy stop, 1347 on the stop. It gets above 1347 on a run up in March. I no longer want to be in the trade. Profit objective, 1305 to 1302. You could get a nice one. Keep an eye on these. They're a little tricky here because the formations are still very bearish, but starting to look like you're making a little bit of buying. I'm a seller, though, so I'm going to go with my trades, especially that S&P, as I told you, with the small risk. That's telling me, my analysis is telling me something is getting ready to happen very dynamically in that market. Keep your stops tight, but keep an eye on this. We're going to get a nice move here soon. Okay, the wheat market. We also have March wheat. I have room on the big board, so I got to give it to you on this board. Just to slop it, though, so that you don't miss anything. March wheat. The Omni indicator, lower omnidirectional indicator. We're going down in March wheat. I'm looking to sell between 459 and 459 and a half. It's about 2 cents higher than where we are right now trading. Buy stop, 464 and a half on a buy stop. Make sure you have your stops in on the wheat. Anytime the corn goes, the rest of the market's going with it. I'm not saying the corn's going tomorrow, but I like the wheat on the downside. So your buy stop's 464 and a half on a stop. Profit, 447 and a half to 446 and a half. So sell them at 459, 459 and a half. Put a 464 and a half buy stop for protection in case we're wrong. 447 and a half, 446 and a half is our profit objective. Again, be out by the close. I'm the indicator says lower wheat, lower silver, lower gold, lower S&P. Let's see what happens. Now, as you've noticed today, I jumped out of my trades. In fact, when I woke up this morning, I don't know, maybe it was 4:30 a.m. In fact, I wasn't asleep yet. I was just getting ready to sleep. I watched the markets all night, but I saw the silver and gold come off. I took some profit in the silver. Who wouldn't? We had a nice trade. We took profit in gold. We took profit in S&P. We had a nice day. Let's keep that momentum going. Got a couple of things I wanted to talk to you about. This omnidirectional indicator, it's going to be a real live indicator on a computer on my website for you to go see. As I told you, I found out that I have thousands of people hitting my site. I had no idea. Again, I apologize, but hey, I'm going to make it nice for you guys. You'll see. In a couple of days, you'll be able to go to that site, hit the button and see exactly what I think, and just, you'll see like an indicator. It'll be simple. It'll just tell you Oscar thinks up, Oscar thinks down. If you want to go further, then you can read my recommendation. But I'm going to make it simple so that while you're trading, if you need to just pop on the site, see what I think in the market, you'll see it like that, and on your way you go. So I'll let you know when that site's done. It's being constructed right now. My IT guy's in from Chicago. He's doing a great job. You guys are going to love it. I promise I'll unleash it as soon as I can. We also have some trading software that's going to be on that site. It's excellent software. Again, I'm not really going to tell you much about it now, but at the site you'll be able to look at the recs, look at the videos, decide whether you want to trade, go to your trading software and trade, and then go to a forum and speak to me about your trades. It's going to be a great site, so we're working on that for you. Don't forget, when you go to the YouTube site, when you're at our YouTube page, hit the subscribe button. I'll get you my videos out just like that. The second we make them, you can have them. You can email us at futuresanalysts@gmail.com. If you call me, I'll put you on the flash updates list. The flash updates for you followers, for you new traders here, we send flash updates every day. In other words, last night I told people get short silver at 48. We sold silver at 48. At 4:30 in the morning, I'm out there sending flash updates. Wake up, everybody, get yourselves out of silver. I send flash updates all the time. They're essential for getting you out of these trades I get you into. So call me so I can get you on that flash updates list. If you want to call the telephone, you can reach me at 718-351-2266. Don't forget about the flash updates. They are very, very essential. I want you to know about them. I want you to know what I'm getting out of these, in and out of these markets. Again, sell, and sell the guy down there on the wheat board. Good luck, traders. I'll see you in the morning.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.